again, a very short lesson on what needs to be done in order for you to make money in trading. So just check that on my Telegram channel anyway. Now, 4th of March, okay, so this is where we see what was the prices in the beginning of the day of different assets. That's how you can always compare, okay, and see what happened, let's say in a week, in a day before, okay, and here we go. So another video, okay, another educational video on the markets update, right? And then we see Bitcoin price forecast. So you see where the price was there, and they're forecasting that it may go to like about 20,000 before it may rise back again. So if you're following cryptocurrencies, there's some information that I post there on crypto as well. Take advantage of that on my Telegram, okay? Now, moving forward, okay, this is South Korean index has collapsed by 12% in a single session. The Kospi index lost more than 12% of its value, recording the biggest drop in its trading history. So imagine they had to close the trading in the market for the whole day. Okay, so because of that, like I said, because they are the biggest ones to get the oil, right, from Strait of Hormuz. Now, geopolitical tensions is, but avoid catching falling knife confirmation. This is also the recommendation. I always give a recommendation when I provide you with, let's say, something that is happening in the market. Recommendation, watch for a potential short-term rebound in Kospi 200 futures. Okay, so we're talking about Kospi index. So when it dropped down that much, 12%, it's the matter of time when it's going to go back. Okay, so it's a recommendation to possibly buy the dip opportunity. And like I said, I give that recommendation on every, let's say, opportunity that I post there. For example, here, the S&P 500 index broken through the 100-day simple moving average, which had served as a support for a long period of time, according to Bloomberg. Okay, so the recommendation here is very simple. Consider short-term bearish put, meaning sell positions on the SPY, basically. That's the index that follows S&P or S&P 500 futures as a break below a key long-term support level often signals further downside momentum in the near term. So look to enter on the failed retest of the broken level. So this is, like I said, once you get an information and an opportunity for trading, you get also recommendation. And by the way, if you wish that if you wish to basically take advantage of any recommendation that I'm giving there, I really suggest you to contact me directly. Okay, you can ask questions. You can go to my, let's say, you can go to my Telegram, and on top you can just simply write me a question. So if you want to take advantage, let's say, of oil, of gold, of any other asset that I'm posting on my Telegram, or if you don't understand something, just go there, right? Just type me a message and I will respond to you, and I will help you to take advantage of that.